YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back for a What's in the Box on Pentair's deck jet kit. So we're actually going to dive in and show you guys what comes included with their deck jets. Stay tuned. All right, guys, and we're back. So again, today we have a What's in the Box for you guys on Pentair deck jets. So these are really nice little water feature that you guys can install at the construction phase along the outside deck of your pool. Again, all this has to be pre-plumbed for, so this is meant for a remodel or an actual new construction phase. You guys can't just go out and drill a hole into your floor and be able to throw these in there. So we're gonna jump into this and kind of show you guys what comes included. I really like these because they do come with 5 different style nozzles. So based on the kind of water feature that you want to come out of the deck jet, you guys can choose, which is really cool. And that can always be done, again, after it's been installed into the deck. So it doesn't just make you stick with one and that's it. So you guys can actually keep the other ones around. So if you do want to do that later, you guys can actually check out the different nozzles. So part number is actually 580,000. So 580000. They do not come in different colors. This is just a one and all. So again, this is their cool deck jet style. So let me get out the body. Here's our awesome different nozzles. We actually have some foam, some O-rings, some stuff for sealing. You got silicone in there, which is really nice. Looks like the one I got, unfortunately, has exploded. So I got some silicone lubricant in here with these O-rings and these sponges. So, and then of course they give you the installation instructions. So most of the time you're going to have a pool professional actually installing these for you. They've done them before in the past, so obviously the instructions are kind of useless at that point. But for those DIY guys out there that we are trying to give these videos for, they do give you instructions to kind of let you know the direction of how things should be installed. Obviously, you're going to want to try to do a little bit more research to just make sure that you guys are doing this correctly. But for those of you out there that know what you're doing, it's pretty self-explanatory for you. So you typically have a bushing at the bottom. You're looking at the body in the middle. They actually give you this nifty little red gunite shield. So then that way, as you guys actually plaster or pebble up to it, this way nothing gets into the actual orifice where the actual jets go. So this is pretty much the entire body of it. You're simply going to be going in with an 1.5-inch pipe directly to this, and then that way you guys can choose your nozzle from there once this is actually down and installed in the deck. So let's bust open the 5 different nozzles so I can kind of show you guys the different shapes that they provide you with. So here's one of them that actually has a cool little slice across the front. So I'm guessing it's going to give you more of a fan effect. Again, I haven't actually fully seen these in action, but I know that they do have videos directly on Pentair's website if you guys want to check those out. Looks like they give you just a straight shoot little nozzle. They've got a little bit of a wider stream for you. So instead of that smaller stream, you can get a little bit of a bigger stream coming out. They give you the trio, so you guys can actually have 3 separate streams coming out. And then, of course, they give you a much larger straight stream compared to these other 2. So you actually get 3 straight streams, all different sizes. You get the triple stream, and then you also have like the fan style. So really cool that they give you all those different opportunities. Like I said, it's really nice that you guys can swap these out as you go, so you guys don't actually have to just be stuck with the one jet. They do give you the 5 interchangeable nozzles. So, and then again, they've got a foam kit in here, which I'm guessing is meant to be in here to clean. They've got some caps to lock these actual nozzles in. And then, of course, they give you O-rings and the silicone lube here to make sure that everything stays tight so they don't have a lot of bleed through coming around these nozzles so that all the water pressure is directed towards those. So pretty straightforward. Again, it's pretty cool. You can see that they actually give you a full little layout here on the inside. Well, they'll actually tell you the different orifice sizes. So they call it a van spray, a 3-stream, and then you go from a 3/16 to a quarter to a 5/16. So it's pretty nifty that they give you all different ones for you. And again, instructions. So for those DIYs, you guys can do that yourself. So it's pretty much what comes included in the box for the deck jets. Definitely highly recommend them. If you guys want some more information, check out the links in the description. Pentair has some cool videos for you guys on these in action. We are planning on trying to get one in the field for you guys installed. So then that way you guys can kind of see how to install it as well as how they operate after that install. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you guys subscribe for that, so that way you guys are up to date. Make sure you guys smash that bell so that you guys get those notifications when all these videos are coming your way. Again, really appreciate you watching. I'm Kyle with ePoolSupply. We'll see you next time.